রানু, বাড়ি যাইতে হইব, চল।
ছুটি হয় নাই তো।
আহা, কিছু হইব না, বাড়ি যাইতে হইব।
আমি আরেকটু ব্যাটিং করি।
পরে করিস।
বাড়িতে কি হয়েছে আব্বা, কও না।
তোরে দেখতে আইতাছে।
কেন?
তোর বিয়া ঠিক করছি।
আমি যামু না।
এমন করিস না মা।
আমি বিয়া বমু না, আমি পড়মু।
আচ্ছা, পড়িস নে, এখন চল।
ওর তো এখনো 18ই হয়নি মোকলেস মিয়া।
হয় নাই, হইব।
কবে হইব চাচা?
বাল্যবিয়ে দায়ভার আমাদের সবার, তাই বাল্যবিয়ে দেখলেই প্রতিবাদ করুন, রুখে দাঁড়ান, খবর দিন স্থানীয় প্রশাসনকে, কল করুন 109 নম্বরে। বাল্যবিয়ে রুখতে হলে আওয়াজ তুলো তালে তালে।
সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা জানো গত 18ই মার্চ 2020 খ্রিস্টাব্দ তারিখ হতে কোভিড-19 এর প্রভাবে বাংলাদেশের সকল বিদ্যালয় প্রাতিষ্ঠানিক পাঠদান বন্ধ রয়েছে। কিন্তু সরকার বিচক্ষণতার সাথে বুদ্ধিমত্তা দিয়ে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের পাঠদান কার্যক্রম সংসদ টিভি সহ বিভিন্ন অনলাইন মাধ্যমে চালিয়ে যাচ্ছে। আমরাও ইদিলপুর সরকারি পাইলট উচ্চ বিদ্যালয়ের শিক্ষকগণ জুম অ্যাপের মাধ্যমে তোমাদের সাথে সংযুক্ত হচ্ছি। তাছাড়া ইদিলপুর পাইলট গভর্নমেন্ট হাই স্কুল নামক ফেসবুক পেজ, ফেসবুক গ্রুপ, ইউটিউব চ্যানেল খুলে প্রতিনিয়ত আমাদের শিক্ষকদের ক্লাসগুলো আপলোড করছি। আমি আশা করব তোমরা সকল শিক্ষকের জুম লাইন ক্লাসে অংশগ্রহণ করবে, পাশাপাশি আমাদের ফেসবুক পেজ, ফেসবুক গ্রুপ এবং ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ব্রাউজ করে পাঠদান চালিয়ে যাবে। Our presentation topics is simple, complex and compound. Look at this slide. The girl played football. It is simple sentence. Going to school, the girl played football. It is another simple sentence. When the girl went to school, she played football. It is complex sentence. The girl went to school and she played football. It is compound sentence. Dear students, our topic is sentence. Simple, complex, and compound. Answer the following questions. What is sentence? How many kinds of sentences according to structure? Give 3 examples about each of the sentences. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, the students will have been able to learn about the sentences, classify the sentences, make different kinds of sentences. Class activities, sentence. J.C. Nesfield said, a combination of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence, says Orrin Martin. A word or a group of words having a clear meaning in a given context is called a sentence, Pisidar. Dear students, you have to practice these sentences. Sentence. Simple, complex, and compound. We know that there are 3 kinds of sentences according to structure, another 5 kinds of sentences according to meaning. Our today's topic is kinds of sentence according to structure. Simple sentence. Nesfield said, a sentence consisting of only one subject and only one predicate is called a simple sentence. So, we say that a sentence consisting of only one subject which contains a finite verb is called a simple sentence. Dear students, look at this picture. Malala, subject. Is finite verb, a particle complement. This is a simple sentence because only one subject and only one finite verb. স্যার আমি একটু পরে ফোন দিই আপনারা স্যার। She subject goes finite verb to school extension to read and write. To read and write non-finite verb. It is simple sentence because she subject goes finite verb, only on subject, only on finite verb. It is simple sentence. Dear students, look at another slide. The boys subject are playing finite verb, football object in the field extension. It is simple sentence because this sentence bears a only one subject, only one subject and only one finite verb. Only one subject and only one finite verb. So it is simple sentence. Another example, going non-finite verb to school extension, the boys subject, played finite verb, football object. It is also finite, it is also simple sentence because this sentence has only one subject and only one finite verb. Remember that a simple sentence has only one subject and only one finite verb. Only one subject and only one finite verb. Complex sentence. A complex sentence is one that contains one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause or clauses. So we can say that a sentence containing one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause or clauses joining with coordinating conjunction is called a complex sentence. Example of complex sentence: since Bangladesh is a poor country, subordinate clause, we should not live in luxury, principal clause. It is complex sentence because only one principal clause and one or more than subordinate clause joining coordinating conjunction, joining with coordinating conjunction. This kind of sentence is complex sentence. Dear students, we should not live in luxury, principal clause. Since Bangladesh is a poor country, subordinate clause. So this sentence is complex sentence. Another example: Jhuma is the girl principal clause. Who sang well in the cultural competition subordinate clause. As the same way, this sentence is complex sentence. Principal clause joining with subordinating conjunction who sang well the cultural competition. So the sentence is complex sentence. Dear students, subordinate clause are three kinds: noun clause, adjective clause, adverbial clause. I know principal clause, where my friend sleeps, subordinate clause. Here, no finite verb, bears an object where my friend lives, subordinate clause. This clause is called noun clause. Because where my friend lives, here object of finite verb no. Where my friend lives, noun clause. I know the place, principal clause. Where my friends, subordinate clause. Where my friends, this clause modify the place, noun. Where my friends lives, this subordinate clause modify the noun, the place. When the word or group of words modify the noun or a pronoun are called adjective clause. Here, where my friend sleeps, adjective clause. I will go principal clause. Where my friend sleeps, subordinate clause. Here, where my friend lives, adverbial clause. Because where my friend lives modify finite verb of go. When the clause modifies different kinds of persuasive except noun or pronoun is called a adverbial clause. So, where my friend lives, adverbial clause. Dear students, look at the slide where, my friends, noun clause as it is object of no finite verb. Where, my friends, leaves adjective clause because this clause modify the place noun. Where, my friends, adverbial clause because this clause modifies finite verb go. Complex sentence. Contains a principal clause and one or more subordinate clause. When principal clause and subordinate clause joining with subordinating conjunction is called a complex sentence. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is one that contains two or more independent clauses or coordinating clauses joined together by coordinating conjunction like and or but, as well as either or, neither nor, etc. Nested. So we can say a sentence having more than one principal clauses or coordinating clauses or simple sentences connected by coordinating conjunction is called a compound sentence. The boy worked hard. Simple sentence, principal clause, coordinating clause. Same clause, different name. But coordinating conjunction. He failed in the examination. Simple sentence, principal clause, coordinating clause. It is compound sentence. The boy worked hard. Simple sentence or principal clause or coordinating clause. He failed in the examination. Simple sentence or principal clause or coordinating clause joining with but coordinating conjunction is called compound sentence. Compound sentence. Compound sentence is two kinds: double compound sentence multiple compound sentence. Another kinds of compound sentence is contracted sentence. Compound sentence, double compound sentence, multiple compound sentence. Double compound sentence having contracted sentences and multiple compound sentence having contracted sentence. Dear students, look at this slide. The man ran to the station. Coordinate close. He missed the train. Coordinate close. Joining with coordinating conjunction but. It is double coordinate close. The man ran to the station. Coordinate close. Another coordinate close. He missed the train. When compound sentence contains double coordinating clause is called double compound sentence. The man ran into the station. Coordinate clause. Number 2, he missed the train. Coordinate clause. Joining with but. So, double compound sentence. Another example for you. I got the news. Coordinate close. I was ready to go. Coordinate close. Sudden illness prevented me from going. Coordinate close. Joining with and coordinating conjunction but coordinating conjunction. Here multiple coordinate clause. I got the news. Coordinate clause. I was ready to go. Coordinate clause. Sudden illness prevented me from going. Coordinate clause. This sentence contains 3 coordinate clause. So, this sentence is called multiple compound sentence. Number 1, I got the news. Coordinate clause. Number 2, I was ready to go. Coordinate clause. Number 3, sudden illness prevented me from going. Coordinate clause. 3 coordinate clause. When multiple coordinate clause contains this sentence So this sentence is multiple compound sentence. Dear students, look at the slide. The girl went to school, principal close. They played football, another principal close. Joining with and. It is example of compound sentence. When same subject omitted one subject, called contracted sentences. Compound sentence. Principal clause, coordinating clause, principal clause. Evaluation.